Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to assign a name to a column within Google Sheets. To begin, click the header to select your chosen column. Next, navigate to the Data menu and select Named Ranges from the list. In the field provided, type your preferred name, such as 1, and then click Done. You will now see that the name has been successfully created. If you need to adjust it later, simply click the pencil icon to edit the cell range, change the name, or delete the entry entirely. You can also apply a single name to multiple columns at once. Highlight the group of columns you wish to name, return to the Data menu, and select Named Ranges again. When entering the title, remember that Google Sheets has specific requirements. If you attempt to use spaces, you will receive a notification explaining the rules. Your range names must only contain letters, numbers, or underscores. Additionally, they cannot be the words true or false, and they must not include any spaces or punctuation. Keep these naming limitations in mind while organizing your spreadsheet. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more tips. I will see you in the next one.